And we lost 5 freaking cars.
Yeah, no kidding.
Alright, we'll see if this works. Hopefully this will work, so the time should be there. So, we ready? Got 10 cars in?
10 cars in?
10 cars in?
Cool.
Cool.
All
Thank you. We already told Net Control we're coming in, so.
Yep. This course shouldn't be as bad.
The last one wasn't bad.
The last one's bad when you get to that one section.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not doing any mileage. Let's see if I can.
Might be like a GPS thing or something like that.
I'm gonna
I didn't test
check.
it like at all.
There it is.
Alright. You can adjust it by hitting the buttons down here.
Okay.
You can add them, minus, but you don't know where anything is. So.
Yeah, I don't know how far in we are, so we'll just see where it's at. We're close enough. Fast sweep, go ahead. Affirm. We are 4/10 of a mile into Special Stage 2, WD2DW.
Net Control copies, KO10.
He was taking a leak.
Control 6-0. 4-0, Net Control, go ahead. Zero has caught up to all of the sweep vehicles. We are at 4.43 miles, stage 3. Net copies, KO10. Tango, Mike.
This turn right here. This is what I was talking about. It's fast.
Because you get into it, you're
And
like, yeah,
then-
this is good. Ooh.
tree.
Oh, crap.
George of the jungle.
And then this next section, when I make this turn, it's gonna be slick.
Hello. Tear it up.
Right. Can't slide it now. The front wheel drive is I put it in auto, 4-wheel drive, so
Hopefully it'll
hopefully it'll
figure
work.
its stuff out. God, 5 cars on the first stage. Whew.
First
That
car.
look good.
That's
No.
a record.
Oh, okay.
That's a
Well, you know,
record.
that's not the records we want to set,
And
though.
we didn't have a lot of cars to start with. I would be surprised if 5 finished the race today. I'm just gonna say it.
So does that make them not want to come back?
I don't think you can keep racers from racing.
Okay.
You just have bad races.
Stage 2 finish.
You gotta have a couple bad ones in a row before you're like, is this really worth it?
Please copy cars
Whoa.
51,
That was close.
15,
That was a good one.
64, and 916. That's 51, 15, 64, and 916 are finished stage 2. That is affirmative. Thank you very much. Net Control, KL10.
Oh, shit.
Well, it's working.
Net Control, what is your current location?
Heavy sweeps up to his neck in mud trying to get 4 cars unstuck.
I bet.
Heavy sweep, Net Control.
000's out with them, so
000, Net Control.
there you go. Good job.
0, go ahead. 0, do you know the status of heavy sweep? Control 000 is behind heavy sweep. There is a car, looks like a Subaru in the ditch. We'll advise as soon as we have more information. Net Control copy.
Now it gets better.
KL1CA.
Oh
big
yeah, this
bump
part's
right
easy.
here.
Tango Mike.
Ow.
Don't get hit by rocks.
I know, right?
You
just hit right up under my foot.
Here in the two hidden
Control,
jumps.
0 with
No cars off here. That's
5, stage 3. That's copy.
Arrow clock 9.
It's not a 9.
It is a 9.
It's not a 9.
The arrow says it's a 9.
I know the arrow says
It's a 9.
but it's not.
Look, it's a 9.
Not a 9.
Spectator. So, as a rule, NASA Rally Sport has media folks who are authorized media and credentialed as media. And per Andrew, they have signed the waivers, they have released their liability.
And that's it. Heavy sweep if they can pick it up, please. We need to start stage 3. Acknowledges to inform heavy sweep, pick it up, got to start stage 3. Kilo Port Tango, Tango Mike. All 1-0.
We should be uploading start, arrival, and finish, right?
Net control, this is heavy sweep.
I got start log from
Heavy sweep, net control.
We are special stage 1, 4.8 miles in, 16, one driver.
Copy, heavy sweep. Which driver are you assisting?
Coming in,
The car number you are assisting.
number 2, Subaru, WRF.
Jump.
Copy that. This is Superior 1-0, net control.
Q4, IB8.
There's your warning for your finish.
They put those up later. I don't know why.
Yeah, because they weren't there before.
They weren't there before.
Fly finish.
Another warning.
Net control, stage 1 finish. Stage 1 finish, go ahead. Be advised, we have cars